You want to make money copying trades, not actually trading yourself. Yeah, it is possible even if you don't have any knowledge about trading. And all you have to do it's just copying trades of expert traders. All right. And in today's video, we're going to use Deliv.com copy trading, and all you have to do is to sign in your Deliv.com account. If you do not have an account, I will leave a link in the description so that you can first create your Deliv account. All right. So with that being said, let me sign in, and I will get back to you when we are going to get started. Now I have signed in, and now what you have to do is to click on this drop down arrow. Click there, and you are going to see this one. You go to looking for safety accounts, go to Traders Hub. So once you have reached here, you're going to see all the amount you have already. Of course, here this is not necessary. Then you scroll down. I'm on a real account. Remember, until you see this one, Deliv C Trader. Okay, go to Deliv C Trader and click on Get. Okay, so you can see success. Congratulations, you have successfully created your real Deliv C Trader account. To start trading, transfer funds from your Deliv account into this account. So I'm not going to transfer funds because I'm just showing you for the purpose of this video how you can do it. Then I'm going to click on maybe later. But if you want to begin exactly to copy trades, it means you have to deposit money into your account, this Deliv C Trader you have created. And once you are ready, what you do, you click on transfer now. But me, I'm just going to go with maybe later. Okay, now that we have already created our Deliv account, which is having a Deliv C Trader, which is having 0.00 USD, let me click on open. Okay, so when I open it, you can see the balance is 0, and this is the ID etc. Okay, you can as well get it on Google Play Store around here. Download the application. Let me just click there and I download it, and that will take me to Google Play Store, and I will click on this install. So now it has downloaded. So what I have to do, I have to click on open. Now that you are here, you have to log in using your Deliv.com login details, which means you have to enter your email and password. And therefore, let me just enter it, and I'll be back. Once you are done, click on login right here. It's loading. There we go. You can see now. Okay, I am on Deliv C Trader dashboard, and I'm using a mobile phone and not a PC. All right. With the PC, you are going to have all these details here, but of course, since it is a bigger screen, you are going to be seeing them on sides. But this is a mobile phone, and the option of copying trades, you can see it is just right here down. You can see you can invite others, you can deposit money, each and everything you can trade here. All right, so let me first read this one which has just popped up. This one, our EURA for C Trader has been updated. We would like to inform you that our end user license agreement for C Trader has been updated. We acknowledge you to carefully review this policy. So you click on acknowledge and continue. So you can see now it will disappear. So you have to first familiarize yourself with this application. If I can put my phone in a landscape, you can see we have just up here we have positions. Let me show you. We have positions, orders, price alerts, history, transactions, and remember, I'm on a real account. You can even click here to see what is there, and you try to familiarize yourself with this website. Okay, you can see you can deposit, withdraw, create new order, create price alert, you know, everything. Okay, and you can see my account balance is on zero, equity zero, each and everything is on zero because I haven't deposited. Okay, now all right. Before I take you to the main idea behind today's video, right, you can scroll through and see if there is anything you may need. For example, if you need to add any other charts, you can add here. Why am I saying this? Because, for example, you can even trade from here. Maybe you are a strategy provider in this platform, or on this platform you can be a strategy provider, a signal provider, and you can well be a copy trader. Okay, so there is someone, that trader, who is giving you or trading for you, and is giving you signals of a strategy. You are the one you are copying, and the one who is actually copying. So at this dashboard, we are here, we are assuming that you are going to be trading, but if you want to copy trades as the main idea of today's video, you go here, right, on copy. Okay, so you click on copy. Okay, if you want to copy, you need to understand some of the things, right? Number one, we have different traders here. As you can see, we have 99 Corolla. You can see at first he began when he was not profiting, constant, not making any profit, but currently you can see he's getting a lot of profits. The chart is rallying up. And secondly, you can see all-time earnings. All-time earnings is 1864.33%. That's a good, you know, performance. But this guy, to copy his trades, he needs actually a minimum investment of $500. Okay, so you need to bear that one in mind. Then the second trader we have here is the Deep Secret. This one, all-time return on investment is the 119, which means it's below this guy. But again, this other one has another issue, right? To small traders, to small guys who would like to copy his trades. He needs you to be having $10,000 to copy his trades as the minimum. Okay. Yeah, his chart began when he was not making when he was not making cash. You know, it was constant to the extent that it had to drop, but later this guy has been making profits, guys. Okay, now I want to see the other one, the next one, which is the third one. This one could be the best if you can afford this one. Reason being, this man began by rising. Actually, he fell just of recent, just here, and now is also making it. And the all-time earnings, return on investment, this guy has made $1,048,554%. That's too huge. Okay. And this guy will be chopping 30% from your from the profits you make, of course, when you are copying his trades. And the minimum you need to copy his trades is 300. So if you have that capital, I think this could be a best fit as the minimum. You can begin or invest more than that, but that is the minimum this guy requires. So let's go to the third one. Right, the third one or fourth one. Yeah, the fourth one also is not bad. It has all-time return on investment of 3,109%, right, and it requires a minimum deposit of $200. Okay, and you can see his performance has been good. Okay, that is the Dragon Force. Now let's go to the next one. This one has not been making that much, right? Actually it is only 32% profit, all-time earnings, return on investment, rather return on investment. Okay, and it's called bottom up.finance, but it requires a minimum deposit of $5,000. That's a lot, of course, for small investors, right? And to me, I wouldn't go for that one. Yes, of course, has been performing well. He began by increasing the profits. Here he had a drop, but currently is doing well. Okay, then let's go to special FX1. This guy requires a minimum deposit of 150. I think this guy is also affordable, and the profit ratio you can see is 1892. 1892%, which is good, and the performance is also good, rolling up. Let's go to the next one, microscoping in the names of binomial RAF. It requires a minimum deposit of $1,000, and he has so far had a return on investment of 591, and also will be taking just 15% on your profits, and he has been performing well, if you can see on the graph. Well, let's go to Gold Master Michelle 1981. It requires a deposit of 200, and he has already made all-time return on investment of 5,055.24%, and is also performing well according to the graph. Okay, so you continue scrolling through until you see one of your choice. Okay, let me see. Oh, like this one is having a return all-time return on investment of 227, and it requires a minimum deposit of at least $102. That's a little. Actually, this guy is one of the best, and is doing well. You can see the graph is moving up. If we continue, okay, we have Manishi Shilingisi. Okay, he will be just taking only 13% profit. He needs a minimum deposit of $100, and is currently having all-time return on investment of 495. I think this guy also you can give it a shot. $100 is affordable. Okay. Oh. Look at another one. This one performing well, needs 100 only, and look at the performance, guys. All-time return on investment 11446.74. right? Now, why I'm continuing to scroll through, I also want to see a guy I can copy, right? So that I can begin with that one. You go to Australian Super Fund. It requires a minimum of 3. Sorry, let me go back. 347. Is doing well, but I need someone with to see if I can get someone with less than $100 and is performing well, as in terms of all-time return on investment. Okay, let me see if I'll get one. This one is 190. Okay, me, I'll be focusing on this profit ratio the guy will be taking, and the minimum investment plus this return on investment all time. That's what I want. If I get anyone with the below 100 as the minimum and is chopping below 30, I'll go with that one. But if I fail, I'll go with the other one of $100. Okay, let's go through. This is 150. $150, and we'll be chopping 28. This is too much. This is too much. This is 1,000. This is 5,000. $2,200. Okay, this is too much. 333. Minimum investment 100. MT capital all time is having 216 and is performing well. I also have to think about this guy, but he's having drop downs. You can see The graph is full of zigzags, although currently is in profit. Okay, let me scroll through and I see 600, 100. Okay, all right. 100, 200. This one is also good. It's just taking 18%. Minimum is 100 and is doing well. Although the graph is having zigzags. Okay, so there are very many, but you can continue scrolling through and see if there is any other one which meets your requirements. But as for me, if I would want to copy, I would go with the other one of magnets. Requires only 100, and you can see all-time return on investment is in 11,446%, although you'll be taking 30%, but that is okay. So I'm going to go with the magnet in the names of Kim Sin. Okay, something like that. So you can go with Kim Shin or this one of Magnishlingish. Manishlinglishi. The name is too hard for me to pronounce. This one we will be taking only 13%, although it's having some kind of zigzags at the top. But this guy who is rolling up, okay, although you'll be chopping 30, I can go with that one. So let me click on magnets and I see. So when you go to magnets, you are going to see the overview. Okay, you can see net profit is 477, profit factor 1.93, commission 38.36. okay, total trades he has made, this guy has made a total trades of 117, and winning trades is 83, and largest winning trade was 361, losing trades were 34. Okay, so out of the total of 117, he only lost 34 and won 83. Largest losing trade the match has ever lost, this guy is 99.80. Average trade is 4.08. Shape ratio 1.57. Okay, total pips won this one. Okay, 7629.50. okay, let's see the currency. Uses his dollars. Leverage, oh, this guy uses the leverage 1.1k, and that is the average this guy, rather I believe, usually provides in our accounts, real accounts. And minimum investment, this guy is fair, is affordable, of $100. Performance fee, as I told you, it is 30. Okay, management fee 0, volume fee 0. Okay, now that's according investors who are copying his trades. There are 84 all-time copped. Ever since he started, people or traders who have copped him are 384. Okay, and invested funds, investors who have copped this trader, the funds they have so far invested are $26,778. all right, so you can see this guy. I'm going actually to write him down, because I personally will copy his trades to, of course, give an idea to my followers, my fans, how things work. Okay, let's click on description and see if there's anything there under him. We have only magnets, so that is his name that he is using. History, of all his trades, guys. This is so cool. I didn't know that delivers even this one. So you can see the history of magnets trades. Right? Oh yeah. This is so cool. This is cool, guys. This guy is a fan of gold. As you can see, he usually trades gold. Okay. And this was a win, a loss, a win, a loss, a win. Okay, you can see, guys, a win, a win. So this is realized profit and loss, and this is being a blue, it is a profit of 56.50. okay, now let me just click on one and let me see if I can get more details. Symbol towards gold, opening direction towards a sell, closing direction towards a buy. And so for more details, you can click on each symbol and you are going to see each and everything. The time, right, the trade was taken like on 20th of May 2024, and you can see he closed in profit, real net real profit and loss. It is here, it is not negative but it is positive, $21.62. okay, so this is the history of all the trades. You can click on any, right, you can even click on this one and you see when he took the trade is on the 6th of May, right, and you can see we ended up with a profit of $6.84. okay, so magnets, this guy is a good one to copy, right, and I recommend if you could be looking for anyone to copy, then you can see or you have seen who to copy. Another thing, if you have enough capital, you can be looking at these guys return on investment, the ones who are above 1,000%. okay, but as for smaller investors, then you have seen someone to copy. okay, so once again, if you want to copy this guy called Kim Sin, who is magnet, you tap here and you tap on start copying, right? Like if I click here, although remember I don't have the funds, I don't have the funds, so I cannot copy the trader. So you come here, you say hedge USD, I want to 400, which is the leverage, and here I have the balance of 0.00. Remember, I'm supposed to be having a minimum of $100. Through member broker, you can follow any live or demo strategy, right, and you enter here the amounts depending on what you have. okay, remember the minimum investment is 100, performance fee is 30. That's how much the trader will be taking from you, rather from your profit, not from your capital but from the profit he will be making. okay, all the positions of the strategy will be immediately opened, right. Equity stop loss is 50%, so which means will be automatically applied to your copy trading account. If the account goes down to $50, right, that would mean you would stop it. The system will automatically stop you from copying this trader because you will be in a loss. okay, please remember that you continue to be bound by the end user license agreement for the trader, which you agreed to previously. So if you have the account, you just have to input the figure, the amount you want to start copying this trader, and you click on start copying. I think the next video I will do it practically, although I'm also a trader. I will copy this guy and I show you how you can do it. I hope you have been able to know from A to Z how you can start copying trades in Delive.com, guys. All you have to do, get a Delive account. If you don't have, I will leave the link in the description and you can get started even today. Until next time, but before you go, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon in order to be updated for the upcoming videos. Good luck.